If you could just like pull up a few charts and stream them, and then I don't know, maybe go through the last week and tell us what you're seeing off of them. Just kind of read them and tell us, I don't know, quick analysis of their lines and stuff like that, just to help me understand charts when I'm looking at a little longer term style.
Cool.
I went
How
through the
long have
stuff on your the candlestick patterns you gave me and stuff like that. I just don't necessarily know how to piece them together and really turn that into an educated play.
Okay, so I'm just
how long
gonna
have you
use
been trading for?
just like 2 months.
No, the Reno guy.
I think for like a couple weeks, right?
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah.
You getting there, buddy?
It's hard.
It
It
takes
is
time.
hard.
It is hard though. Let me pull up some. Pull up Square. Just gonna use Robinhood to keep it simple. I mean, I could pull it up on. I'm gonna lag if I pull it. I don't have good net because of my apartment.
No,
have
pay
good
your
neck?
bill, bro. Pay your bill. That's all you need to do.
I don't buy shitty. I don't pay for internet. I don't need fast internet. I try to go outside. Can you guys
Why
see
are
that?
you? Why are you pulling freaking Robinhood charts, bro? What the hell?
Just because. I mean, I could log on TOS, but I'm gonna lag.
What the heck?
Give me a second, son.
Guess trading view is cleaner.
Well, I'm just trying to keep it simple because they're still learning.
Yeah, I mean you don't need an account for that. I mean you can just pull up the charts over there. It's so much cleaner.
You don't need to log anything.
No, you don't need the account. I'm pretty sure you don't need an account. Yeah, type in ticker in there. Oh, okay. Do you see the chart symbol? Pull up under the search bar.
Under
up.
the search
No, no. You see that chart symbol next to broker?
broker.
Go up under the ticker bar. Go to the right. To the right.
Right
There you
here.
go. No, down,
This?
down.
This.
No, up. Half what? No, up. Up
Chart.
more.
Chart with the little TV on it. Yeah.
It's on your like. On your left.
Yeah, chart.
Yeah, click in there.
Okay. Is that the right?
Or
I don't know if that's the right one.
then you have to add it to a candlestick.
Candlesticks.
Yeah, you see that setting? You see that setting bar? No, to the right, to the right. Oh, that's
Right. You want to show this? You can show this. If you
no.
want.
I have my phone on me. I don't have my my computer here.
Man, you're killing me right here. Small.
Okay, you see where you enter the ticker?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Then there you go, and then go to like the FX symbol.
Okay. And then hit candlestick patterns.
Yeah, that candlestick pattern. Yeah.
And then what do you do?
No, actually, that's the indicator. Try the one next to the FX, like the bar and shit. No, close that one.
This one.
Yeah, and
Nope.
then try the one next to it.
Nope.
No, that's not. That's in financial. Try the one next to it.
Poke, go to the left next to compare, next to the little plus circle. Hit that little like up chart.
This one?
One more over.
No, that's compare simple. Go to setting and go to setting and try.
No,
it.
click that one. Yeah, click that one. Poke.
There you go. Candle.
Damn, that was a mission. Sorry, y'all.
There you go. See that? It's much cleaner.
Okay. Can I move this?
And then how you can change the time frame is where you enter the ticker. Next to it, you see the D. Click in there, you will see the different time frame.
Dude, that's cool. Don't you use your iPad for this?
Yeah, I do, but mine's dead right now.
What minute frame? Probably 5. No, 5's not gonna do it justice. I was watching this on the 1 minute anyways. No thanks.
No, you just click in 1 second, buddy.
1 sec. Oh.
1 minute. There you go.
Okay.
And then you see where it say watch list on your right.
Yeah, add symbol.
Yeah, and then you can just click in the little like symbol right there next to add symbol to close that tab out.
Huh.
Go.
It's cool, but I kind of wanted to explain this. So, like, it'd been easier just on the other thing, but where are we? Where's the mooring on Square? It's hard as hell to read. I'm going back to this. Yeah, I gave up. Yeah, we're gonna have to go through that another time. Pretty much Square has been at a tangent. Let me close this. They've been on a tangent this morning. They were super bullish, you know. How I saw it was the initial candle this morning was like hella crazy comparison to the open entry. And then there was a huge gap in MACD right there. Volumes kind of continued and just floated above 70 for most of the day. And then you kind of just saw consolidation here. This is called a flag, a bullish flag, and then it upstep, but then it maintained in the open MACD for a while. You can see consolidation because as prices were moving sideways, the volume stayed instead of just decreasing. It did reset a little bit right there, which is what size is that? Like 130, which is at a high actually, and then it just kind of projected throughout the day and maintained. It didn't really float below. Yeah, Square's been super bullish though. You can just kind of see it. It's been kind of doing this weekly pattern where it opens up Monday, runs, and then eventually shoots down, and then goes and runs again, and then it closes and does it. Right, and it just does that. You can see that. So that's like a total uptrend over time. And this is a huge wedge, if you will. What other charts exactly did you want to talk about?
Nothing in particular. Was just kind of looking for entry and exit signs type stuff.
So,
Actually, can you? I got a question. So earlier I kind of showed like a 1 minute, kind of a candlestick chart. But you guys said you guys use like a 4 minute or 5 minute and 15 minutes, depending on how long out you guys are looking. Can you kind of go over like what time frame you guys use and what scenario you guys use that?
To be honest, you cannot really like really tell an entry on the 1 minute because all the candles look funky.
yeah.
Yeah, you have a better vision on the 5 and the 15.
Yeah, the 1 minute doesn't really work too well unless there's like a massive ass candle, right? The 5 and the 15 are the best, but what indicates? I bet. I need to move. Sorry, guys. What indicators are you currently using to make entries and exits? That's a better question to start with.
Yeah, right now I'm using a MACD and I'm using a VWAP and the TTM squeeze just on the side.
Okay, so do you understand what the VWAP does, or like what it's meant for?
I think that's like I forget what exactly it means, but it's like basically the projected value of the company, right? And that's kind of what the bigger companies buy their stocks based off of, right?
So what? I need to pull up a thing of VWAP. Hold up. That sucks. That. Does this have it, Broke Boy?
This does have it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where do I add that?
Click the FX. Up
The
top.
FX,
And
and
then
then type it in.
filters, and you should type in VWAP, and it should come up.
No, it's VWAP, not WAP. No, because there you go.
Did I? How do I take off the other one?
And then you just close it, and then roll your
Okay.
the thingy next to it. There you go, and then you're gonna see the X. There you go.
So that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Usually they have 3 lines though. Why does it only have 1?
No, VWAP supposed to only have 1. 3 is I know it's TD. They have 3 lines, but 3 is more of like the band, like the Bollinger Band. So if you want 3 line, then you can just open the Bollinger Band. But VWAP just supposed to have the middle lane. I mean the middle line, not like 3 line.
What is it? What band is it called?
No, you on the ticker right now. Go to the yeah, and then just type in band, like BAND.
This one?
And the first one.
So
that is more like a VWAP.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it works the same thing.
Yeah, that's the same thing. So I'm on Square still, right? So practically how the VWAP works with relation to volume is that if you had the MACD on too, it would show the times where it'll drop and increase, right? But what the VWAP does essentially is it'll tell you the bottoms, right? And the highs. So those would be your entries and your exits and your drops, pretty much. But the thing is, it doesn't really show consolidation, which you would need to look at the RSI. Because if it stays above certain volumes, that means it's still bullish rather than bearish. So you can just ride it out. But what would really be easier is if you just kept on seeing a continuous uptrend like this, but just stay in the upper VWAP and just completely shatter upwards and continuously go that way. Because this right here, consolidation, means that the MACD crossed, right? Or at least touched to make this continuously go upward. So with the time frame thing, if you were, how do I scoot out in time? Oh, here, 5 days. Cool. This doesn't help. I was looking at it as the monthly. So if you were kind of looking at this, can I close this? This thing?
Yeah, it's top right. It's kind of blended it into that blue. It's a little X on the top right of that blue square.
Oh shit! There we go. Okay, there we go. So you can kind of see a consistency of just hella high volumes in the upper channels right here, and just maintaining, and then it'll consolidate for a couple of days, and just keeps on doing this. And I would imagine these are like Mondays. So what typically it looks like is kind of like a bell curve for bullishness. And how you kind of measure where the price targets are would be by looking at different legs of the pricings and where it actually breaks above where previous highs or bottoms would be. And so you would draw like uptrends. Can I draw lines on this, right? With this?
Yeah, it's on the left toolbar. There should be lines there.
So you kind of draw like bullish uptrends like, oh, that wouldn't be the right spot. So like here, oh, that's not right. This is my first time using this, so bear with me. So that would be how you would draw like the uptrend for that channel, right? And what you would essentially do is take all the highest highs and kind of connect them, and then the lowest lows of that channel. And this right here was consolidating. So where this horizon crosses, and then volumes back up right here would be an entry, because once it broke above this channel right there, or leg, you would know that this is going to continuously going upwards in the upward tunnel. I don't know.
So you plan on holding this because you have a 717 out there, correct?
Yeah.
Because I mean, three days in a row, we've had super high volume at right at 6:30. It rockets up. I mean, and then usually dips at night and comes back up. That's 3 days in a row now with super high volume. Is that something you think is going to continue in the next week, or is that something that tomorrow morning you'd want to get rid of it and take the profit if it volumes up again?
That's a tough question. It depends if it goes like other 100%. If it goes like 100%, I'm probably gonna dip out on it. But at the same time, it's just so fucking bullish, you know? Like,
yeah,
this is ridiculous. Like for 3 months, I know, like, but even here, you know, like
Short everything.
short everything.
I think what I would do, I would probably take like my gains in the morning because that usually gaps up a little bit, and then I'll probably find another entry throughout the day.
Yeah, that would be the best idea to do. I'm trying to see. Didn't I get an NVIDIA? That was wild. That was fucking, dude. So I wish I got the SPY way earlier. I called it at 314. Like I called it here somewhere because it was like rupturing right there. But the cool thing about SPY and the video, broke 400 and just is rolling. Like, where is it? It'd be it right here. What are you guys looking at particularly?
I'm looking at Tesla, Apple, and Square.
Why is Apple going up in particularly? Anybody have an idea? Just besides that it's Apple?
Bro, looking at that chart, I don't know how can I enter trade, bro. Like, what the fuck is that?
It just keeps going up. That's all you gotta know. Yeah, I don't know.
Like, what the heck is that?
Apple?
well, did the same thing. What, 2 weeks ago, up to like 390, and then shit back down to 360.
Yeah, I think a couple weeks ago they had their announce, and it just kept going up that day. I think like that announce just kept driving it up.
What announced about their new phone?
No, they have 2 announces every year. Their phones usually like September, October timeframe, and then like they have a WWDC that's usually around May and June.
Wasn't that like the software thing?
Yeah, it's usually mostly software. So it was like all their new iOS and all that stuff.
What I guess everybody was just waiting for it because there was a consolidation for like a week.
Yeah, usually before like every announce for Apple, like it just people are it's either consolidating or people already know there's leaks depending on like what Mac rumor says, and then they'll either run up and then like drop at the event, or it'll consolidate and then pop up.
Well, if you actually consider this consolidation right here, Friday, so Monday, Tuesday pop, Thursday, Friday drop, Monday, Tuesday pop, Wednesday, Thursday drop, Monday, Tuesday pop, Wednesday, Thursday, Monday, like it kind of just went like that. Kind of wild. So we're here on yesterday. When was that announcement made?
Let me check. I forgot when exactly it was.
I'm still thinking Tesla's going to beat earnings and be in 1600s, dude.
Hell no.
At least 15.
Yeah, the
Tesla
premiums
not
are
gonna
fucking
beat that
insane
shit.
right now.
At the Apple event was June 22nd.
Unless they fucking throw some like stupid news like Boeing, they didn't beat the share, the revenue, but they beat the fucking cash flow.
I think they're gonna. I think Musk is gonna drop a semi, dude. He's gonna be like, "Hey, I'm gonna go test the semi out right before earnings."
That's
or
the
something.
fucking stupidest thing ever.
He's crazy, dude. Guy's crazy. He's gonna go throw a rock through a car.
Well, Apple's
say
just
that
been
Tesla is
consistently
bullish?
going up for the last 30 days.
30 days? It's
Hold
been
on.
like 90 days.
Oh, I just had the 30-day up.
Look at this. Like, what? I don't get it.
So would you consider buying Apple for a long haul?
Yeah, it dipped hard
Yep.
and
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Apple's like Apple. Apple owns like 90% of the cell phone market.
Yeah, bro. Apple is Apple.
Apple is Apple.
Yeah, I have like 1,200 shares in Apple for my long-term account, so I'm pretty bullish on Apple.
Apple, dude. Apple was $1 once. Think about that. Like what the fuck? Like they weren't worth shit not that long ago. Like realistically, like
Did you get them at 212 EDub when they dropped in February?
Yeah, I got some at 212. And I think the lowest ones I got were 90.
What? Who?
When was that?
That
Way
was
back.
What world are
5
you
years ago.
living, bro?
What did you grab? You grabbed how long ago? How long have you been trading?
Oh no, that was my long term, and I wasn't trading back then. I've been holding these for a long time.
What?
Does Apple pay dividends?
They do. It's not that much, but I have enough shares that it makes a difference for me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 1200. Fuck.
Alright, dude. How does it feel? I'm just joking.
Not enough to retire yet.
Hello.
What do you do?
I'm an engineer.
Okay.
Well, Silicon Valley, California, and typical.
What do you engineer?
Wait. Where did you say you work again? I mean, you live?
I live in San Francisco, Silicon Valley.
Oh, okay. I'll see you in a week.
That's right. Are you coming to San Jose?
Yeah, probably next week.
Dude, I don't know. It's just everything's been just. Oh, the reason why I'm super bullish is because the job report last week when they said, I'm gonna turn off the screen because I don't know what I want to look at. I just think everybody's chill.
He was watching
Yeah,
porn, so that's why he hide it.
I just don't have really much to talk about today.
Hey, whatever happened to Facebook today? It didn't. It looks like that news from yesterday didn't really affect it too much today.
My premium stayed at the same. I mean, I'm down $20 per contract, but
I basically just sold it for practically cut even. I think I was either up or down $5 or something.
Well, I mean, this morning it dropped to about 237. The day before it was trading about, let's see. I guess 240-ish with the high the day before of 247. So I guess it just did the usual morning drop.
Who's watching TV?
My bad, my bad.
You're good. Facebook
Right.
long term is Facebook owns Instagram, dude. Like they
I
make
might
so much
re-enter
money.
tomorrow.
Facebook owns Instagram. I just think that they're gonna make a bunch of money no matter what.
Facebook's gonna be one of those where if it dips, I'm gonna buy. they always bounce back.
It should dip. Fucking, what time is this at? Around 8? 2 days in a row, right around 8, started dropping.
Yeah.
For about an hour. Well, today it wasn't quite as long. Yesterday it was about an hour. This one was a quick, and then people rebought it, but I mean, look for an opportunity there, I guess. If you want to.
I mean, there was bullish activity at the end for Tesla. Actually, it opened with a blue MACD. When you look on the daily.
And notice Tesla likes to do these super quick V recoveries.
Oh yeah, don't short shorts. But you can short shorts. I mean, do what you feel. I just don't
Short
short shorts.
everything.
Short everything. Yeah, do what this guy says. Literally.
Shit, I mean, today was the day to do it, and you guys did it if you're looking at the chart, but.
No,
Jim Cramer say go long, so we go short, baby.
6 months. Oh, put on EMAs.
The ticket you guys are looking for tomorrow?
Are you out of Tesla now, Pokey? You sold those calls, right?
No, I still have one.
You still have one for July 24th?
Yeah, so it was at like 13 G's this morning. I let it drop to 9. But I'm like on 1,000% on it. So yeah. I want to see it out. I bought this a month and a half ago. I can wait a couple more weeks. Like,
wait, how much is one contract? That's a super long contract.
Originally it was only $800 for one, and then one was like a G and a half.
What strike was it for? What strike?
1,400.
Nice.
Wait, didn't you get in on that? Or who sold? Wasn't
I think I did. I sold it early.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I just wanted to take
I guess it was Queasy that hit me up this morning about it. My bad.
Damn, fucking $9,000. That's insane.
Bro, I called this a fucking month and a half ago. You can look back on the shit if you want to somewhere.
Bullshit.
Fuck you. I called you when it was 1,000.
No, we was gonna release a song when it is 1,000.
I'm down when you're here. I think your put's gonna be pretty hot. If it goes down, it's gonna drop 60 points.
Bro, if my put is how
For
far
1300
out?
put.
He got it 1260 for like what?
No, I took the 1300 put already, but I re-enter before the market closed. 1260 strike.
What'd you buy it for?
I think it was like
I don't remember. Let me pull it up.
'Cause
I'm
it's
down on it right now though.
worth 5600 right now.
Oh shit! It dropped after hour. Well, right now I'm still down like 25% on it, but
when did you get it then?
huh?
Oh, did you get it during the drop?
No, I get it during the pullback.
Whatever. I wish you the best on it.
You're in there too, Ida, right?
Which one?
For a Tesla put.
Yeah, I'm still in one.
Steam Strike?
Let me check. I forgot what I got.
It's been a long day.
Yeah. I'm not as volatile, so I'm gonna debit spread. Yeah, I'm at a what is that? 1260 put.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, but I'm covered though. I wrote a contract or I sold a contract, so I'm not as much.
Isn't it already maxed out since it went above?
I get maxed out at expiration, but right now it's plus. I'm plus 344 on that contract, but I'm losing on the put that I bought like 383.
What was the strike?
1215.
Yeah, that's a little far, I guess.
Yeah, I wanted something that I know won't hit.
Was that just like a hedge or something?
Yeah, this is my hedge. I think like for anything like that, I'm gonna buy a put or a call on. I'm just gonna cover it by writing a contract that's far out.
Yeah.
That way,
Yeah.
because like I mean, I won't get that like $10,000 return or 10,000% return or whatever, but I'll still get like a 500% or 600%, which is still pretty good.
And that would just be for a counteract of your spread.
Yeah. And like if I lose, I won't lose my entire premium. I'll just lose like 50% of it or whatever.
Pokey, do you have any experience with Boeing?
Yes.
Will you do a quick analysis of that? Just maybe for what you think is going to happen tomorrow?
They're going to drop. They're going to continuously drop to whatever. I think, why is my computer's lagging? Let me get the screen back up. Well, I mean, like, they're just not in a good realm, really. Did they get government aid today?
Yeah, I got a few shares in Boeing too. I'm kicking myself for not selling it when it was 230.
Yeah, that was a bad decision. After 200, I would have gotten out because it like side you could see the head and shoulders. You know.
Yeah, I got it at 140, so I'm still up like 25%, 26%. So that's still good, but yeah.
Wasn't it at $100?
Yep. Yeah, I missed that one. I was still a little
late. I definitely fucked that one up too. Trust me. We wrote it out last time from like here to there. I think that's or somewhere from here to there. That's when Raccoon and
where's there?
Park. What?
Oh, you're live again. Sorry.
Yeah. So last time we wrote it out from about 150 to 220 or 230. with everybody else, because it was going on for like a couple weeks. I think it was like 3 weeks of bullishness in the entire market. This is out of May. I think that's when they started pumping stimulus all the time.
So we're looking for the same trend if they pass that bill and checks go back out?
Pretty much, yeah. Because this is probably when this wasn't checks. This was Fed. This is Fed just trying, and this is Fed and them trying to get the certification. This is when they dropped the 737, very much. I think they have a lot of issues ahead until they get another plane out. You would have to get a leap, pretty much. Like you would have to. How much are leap contracts? Yo, these are some cheap leaps right here. Jordan, wasn't that you that just brought this up?
Yeah.
That wouldn't be a bad idea. We got 6 months, right? For like, I don't know. You get like 400 for her under $300, but that's like all-time high. But that also means like the premiums in Boeing themselves are not worth what they're worth. As of right now, I'm staying away from Corona stocks. Anything that's affected by Corona, I feel just shitty. I'm still looking at this. This scares me. They're dropping in volume. Yeah, that's fucking scary.
Yeah, slowly declining.
Mm-hmm. And it's not slowly. This was the whole entire day, right?
Oh, okay.
This is over, like, so when it was gapping up, I don't think at once it ever dropped below 30, right? Oh, I mean here, I guess. But then it just like bullish flagged. Like it literally bounced off 30 and just ripped. So, but when it actually dropped again, it didn't bounce as hard and just like ate shit. Huh. I think they're gonna drop pretty hard tomorrow, honestly. At the most 60 points.
Back down around 1300.
Yeah, because everybody wants to collect for their earnings when their earnings is there. Because everybody, like a lot of people did buy contracts like me. I wouldn't be surprised at all. It's kind of like Amazon, you know, like if you were to look at Amazon kind of like this, you know, you wouldn't really like be like this is not bullish. Like the recession hit, they broke out, and then they're gapping. They've just been like straight wedging every day. I think Amazon's gonna hit 4,000 in a couple weeks.
Please, that would be insane.
Last earnings, they gapped $600. I think it was like
Can you buy calls that high?
what? Yeah, but they're so expensive. They're like insane. Like, have you ever looked like?
Holy shit.
It's just like it's like you're either in or you're out kind of thing.
July 31st, 4,000.
This is earnings. I think they have it on the 22nd. So like, what's affordable, you know? Like you would have to be.
So far out.
You just have to be. I mean, this would like. Yeah, you're like 1,000 points out, dude. Like.
Yeah, 4,000 calls still $450.
Like that's I think the boys are gonna have another session, like in a couple days. So I'm just gonna call this one over.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, guys.
No.
Why?
Wait, can you check one more? Can you check Walmart? I'm actually curious.
Walmart. Yeah. Aren't you somebody's homie?
Hmm?
Aren't you somebody's homie that joined?
I am swimming. What?
Or are you friends with somebody that is
Yeah, I'm
here?
friends with Alan.
Oh yeah. I forgot. My bad.
No, that's good.
How do you guys know each other?
Work.
Oh, you guys work together? Damn.
We did training together, and then I went to Houston, and then he went back.
Damn, where in Houston do you live?
Near Sugarland.
I have cousins over there. I lived
really?
in Bel Air. I lived in Bel Air for a bit.
Oh, I'm like 15 minutes away, so.
Yeah. I mean, Walmart looks like they're gonna hit lower drop. Like they gap down here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Walmart to me is gonna go back to the 1 month again.
The 1 month, it's gonna be back down here. Or
Yeah.
up.
So you see that that support right there? I think it's gonna retest that support right there. There you go, right there.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
This would be like the VWAP, but this is a gap down because it's breaking through the EMA. And you can just use EMA as VWAP instead too. You just need to set different ones.
Wait, Robinhood got indicator now?
No, I just put these on.
Oh.
I mean, they have them.
Oh, they have them now. What the fuck?
No, they have those. They don't have. I just put it on there. You just make your own.
Nah.
Yeah. Do you have positions in Walmart still?
No. I'm thinking of joining in, but maybe for like a longer call.
What strike, perhaps? I could see I'm at 130 again, but that's gonna be a while. August, accordingly, is not a good month for the market. So let's see what happens on Monday. I wouldn't go in until Monday or Friday. On it.
Friday? Okay.
Yeah, I wouldn't go in until Friday because if it gaps down, at least you can get in on the gap down, right?
Yep.
But you don't want to get in on a downtrend. It's gonna start breaking down very much. Because what happened ultimately that it gained a bunch, right? And the rule of Fibonacci's also say that it has to retrace to build foundation, but it's breaking under the retracement support levels. And eventually, if this RSI, if RSI starts breaking, it was breaking all the way down and 25 and below, that just means it's very bearish because it's not holding up price action.
Okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Sweet.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Just double checking. I'm gonna call it a night. I'm super tired, guys. Sorry, I'm cutting it short.
Weak.
Peace, everybody.
All right. Thanks.
Alright, bro.